I'm about to tackle something I've never done before, and you're coming with me. Are you ready? Woo! Hey everybody, David, aka RVJedeye, and I am here today to try and tackle something that I'm not very good at, and something you are going to come with me on the ride with. A while back, when I did my RV reno, I took down all of the lighting fixtures, painted them, got everything ready, and then started to put them back. I also picked up some LED lights and was switching out all of the regular lights with LED lights, which I really love because they're low energy and they are brighter, and hopefully they'll last a long time. However, some of the wiring, when I put stuff back, didn't seem to come back the way it was supposed to, so that I have some lights that are still out, and some stuff that needs to get fixed. Recently also, I think I've blown a couple of fuses, so I have to fix those. So today's big challenge will be dealing with all of the wiring for some lights and fixing some fuses. So you're going to be with me as I try and figure this all out. I've gone on YouTube, watched a lot of different things, picked up some tools like this and this and this and a whole bunch of fuses, and then we're going to try and just basically troubleshoot everything, see what works and what doesn't, and then try and fix it all. So let's have a little bit more coffee and get this thing started. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm going to test my fuses out. I have this, which I'm going to ground first, and then start testing my fuses and see if any of them are burned out. So I try to use my tester on my fuse, and I can't really tell if it's working or not working. I may have to take that tool back. So what I'm going to try now is to simply pull the fuse on each of the fuses and see how they look, and see if I just need to replace them. And this one, I don't know if you can see inside there. I'll have to zoom in and do a close-up. This fuse is broken and burned. I'm going to have to replace this one. Here's the new fuse, 15. I'm going to put that back in, and hopefully that'll help start some of this stuff up. And check this out. Voila! The light works. So I got that one fixed. It was just a fuse. Light on, light off, light on, light off. Now, on to some more projects. Let's hope it keeps working. The good luck, that is. All right, so I think I have the multimeter set up correctly. Let's go check the wiring for the two sconces and see if I'm getting any power there. Okay, so it's been a little while. We're gonna have to take that sconce off and then check the wiring behind it. And here's the problem. I'll show you the picture. I took pictures of how this wiring was all set up when I was taking it down, and then of course I painted everything, and unfortunately I painted all of these wires, and there are 4 wires and only 2 going into the wall. So I got to figure out how all of this hooks up. So using the tester to make sure that I'm reading 12 volts out of the wiring in the back, and yep, everything looking good at 12 volts. Now it's time to take these and try and put them back up and hook them in to see if everything's working back the way it should. So I couldn't get the lights to work at all. My friend Don, who's a licensed electrician, happened to be stopping by, tried to help me, checked it out, and even he couldn't get the lights working again, so it's back to the drawing board. Here are the two sconces that I had painted. It looked okay, but you can see in here maybe I got a little paint in there, and the switch, according to my electrician friend, is not working. So I'm just going to scrap these and go and get 2 more and then try and put them in. So work on the electrical is going to halt for today. This is now going to be a 2-parter. I had a friend who is an electrician come in. He tried looking at some of it, and we troubleshot it, and basically we're getting the power in, DC and all of that stuff, but the problem, it looks like it's with the light fixtures, and I'm wondering, because I did spray paint them, whether or not I may have inadvertently caused the problem. So I guess kind of a fun thing. I get to go online and go shopping. Now we're going to go ahead and pick up a couple of new sconces and then try and get those in. So stay with me. Still a lot more coming. Make sure you follow me on social media at RVJedeye. It's everywhere, the Pinterest, the Instagram, Facebook, all over social media. And then, of course, if you want to follow my blog, you can by just going on to RVJedeye.com.